Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune your Dodge Charger V6. We'll cover various methods to enhance your vehicle's performance, focusing on both software adjustments and physical upgrades. Understanding these options can help you make informed decisions to get more power and a more responsive driving experience from your V6 Charger. Let's dive into the exciting world of automotive tuning and see what's possible for your ride. Software tuning is a popular starting point for many V6 Charger owners. This involves modifying your engine's computer, or ECU, to optimize fuel delivery, ignition timing, and other critical settings. You can use handheld tuners for easy, preloaded performance maps, or opt for a professional dyno tune. A dyno tune allows for precise, real-time adjustments, ensuring your engine runs efficiently and produces maximum power safely. Beyond software, several hardware upgrades can significantly boost your Charger V6's performance. A cold air intake, for example, allows your engine to breathe better, leading to more horsepower. Upgrading your exhaust system can reduce back pressure, further increasing power and giving your car a more aggressive sound. Even a larger throttle body can improve engine responsiveness, making your Charger feel more eager on the road. When tuning your Dodge Charger V6, it's crucial to prioritize reliability. While performance gains are exciting, ensuring your engine remains healthy is paramount. Always consider professional installation for more complex hardware upgrades to avoid potential issues. Furthermore, research reputable brands and experienced tuning specialists. Their expertise will help you achieve your performance goals safely and effectively, protecting your investment in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.